So this is a video of the Ikamper add-on stairs. So this is a review of the Ikamper add-on stairs. I've had these add-on stairs for about a year or so. I don't always travel with them, and I don't always put them on. And there's a couple of reasons why I don't put them on all the time. But I'll walk you through how easy they are to put on and a few tips on these. So first of all, from the side, you can clearly see they had a really solid place to put your feet, all the way down. Now, if you look at the profile, they look like stairs. There is somewhere to put your feet all the way up the ladder. Now, for safety reasons, I think these are superb, because if you go up or go down and you're in bare feet, you've got a really small tread to be able to get your feet on. And if you slip, you're going through here. You can't slip on these. It's almost impossible to do it. And more importantly, on the way down, it gives you somewhere solid to put your feet. Now, if you're pretty nimble, I'm not sure whether you need these or not. I'm not exactly the most nimble, and I'm not the youngest. So getting in and out, especially at night, if you need to go and rush to do your business, I think these are a godsend. Now, they're made of this, I think it's called Cordura. It's hard wearing, and it's also got some reflective strips on it as well. They attach through the back with Velcro, which you cinch down really tight, and then one of these pull cinch straps. The tops just Velcro, and they pretty much go all the way down to the very bottom of the stairs. So when you put them on, just make sure these are on really tight, and then you just pull the stairs out themselves, and then they sit at 90 degrees and give you somewhere really strong to put your feet. Now, I mentioned before, I don't always put them on. So what I normally do is at the end of the season, I take them off, give them a good clean, store them away. There's a couple of reasons why I don't use them all the time. Is up there could be 2 mattresses, 2 sleeping bags, a down quilt, blanket, and 2 pillows. And what I found is, if you have all of that gear stored in the tent, when these close up, you cannot get the top of the tent to close. So it's a trade-off. If I'm on my own, I may take them because I've got less gear. If there's 2 of us, it's 50-50 whether we take them. Now, to close them up, if you leave them on all the time, you basically just push them this way and then concertina up the ladder, and these will all close on top of themselves, giving you a flat surface. But again, if you have a lot of things you store in your tent, probably won't close properly. But they're really well made. As I said, end of the season, take them off, give them a good clean, a brush down, and they're good to go. If you're used to clambering in and out of a tent, I'm not sure whether you need it. If you're used to going up the stairs without these in, not sure if you need them. I think they're a really good add-on accessory. So would I recommend these? Yes, I would. If you have children, and again, these fit across all of the Ikamper Sky Camp tents. This is the mini, but these fit across all of those. It's uniform. If you have kids, I'd recommend you put these on to help kids get up and down the tent. And again, if you're slightly older and not very nimble and not used to putting your feet on these ladder steps, I would get them as well. They're not a lot of money, but I definitely think they're worth it, and I would highly recommend these. I'll give these a 9 out of 10. I can't think of anything, to be honest with you, that's wrong with it. But as usual with Ikamper, it's got its logo on it, which I'm not a big fan of, but so be it. Just do another word of warning. When you do put them down, you can get to the little locks. It's not a problem. You can find your way in. There's got some cutouts in here. Pretty much the stairs operate exactly the same as they did if you didn't have them. But if you put them on, again, be mindful of the fact, if you store lots of things up there, it will not close. just be careful of that. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video. This is a review of the Ikamper add-on stairs. Thanks.